welcome you all here for the closing ceremony of this medical camp we established at Anjuan. I'm very grateful for your support and the help for the establishment of this camp. It's a profound privilege. We are here along with you. With your support, we could have been made if possible. I also convey the warm regards from our Chief of the Naval Staff, Admiral Naveed Ashraf, for the people of the Comoros. This is the first time ever that Pakistan Navy ship has entered Comoros. We are here for the establishment of the medical camp. It's on a humanitarian mission. The main purpose of this camp is to provide health facilities to the people of the Comoros. Role of Pakistan Navy for anti-terrorist operations, maritime security patrols that may it be conducted independently or as well as with the collaboration or the joint maritime patrol with other regional navies. We are conducting successful operations in Horn of Africa, North Arabian Sea, for combating this menace of piracy as well as any kind of terrorist activity. Pakistan Navy is contributing with the regional as well as extra-regional navies to combat this threat through joint maritime patrols as well as national tasking through RMSPs. We paid a small visit to the port of Anjuan that is coming in East Africa for the third time and conducting medical camps for the betterment of the people.